So, nagpunta kami ng Castle Towers to try the Hurricane's Grill restaurant wherein they say that they are the best steaks and ribs in Sydney. Well, which is truly nga naman talaga. It's very tasty, soft, yummy, lahat na. Kaya lang talaga yung serving time medyo matagal lang siya. Kasi nung oras na to is dinner. So for sure, syempre lahat naman ng mga tao kapag weekend nasa labas para kumain. So bring extra patience. Or kumain ka muna bago ka pumunta rito para di ka masyadong gutom na gutom. Yung appetizer nila, yung scallops is the best. Oh my God. Tapos yung steak, tamang-tama lang sa pagkakaluto, sobrang lambot. Yung ribs nila hindi na kailangan ng extra sauce. Well pasted na siya dun sa mismong ribs. Sobrang sarap talaga niya. Sarap magkamay as in. Hindi mo na kailangan ng rice kasi meron naman chips. Meron din naman silang salad for side dishes. And also for Caesar salad which is masarap lang din. So ayan, natakam na naman ako dito sa ginawa kong video na to. Maraming salamat sa panonood.